How to enable or disable Bixby Vision Scene Describer on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on vision enhancements. Then swipe up to go down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. From here, tap on Scene Describer. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here's a capture a scene to hear a detailed description of it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.